Hi guys! So today I'm going to be making a double chocolate crackle. So the ingredients it says to have is, well, this comes in the packet, so does this. And then it says 2 eggs. That's okay. We can just leave it. Pretend that didn't happen. I need to put that on something. Oops. Okay. Sorry, someone just got a notification. Okay. Then it says 1 pouch powdered sugar, which we have right here. So yeah. So preheat oven to 350. Okay. If using light colored shiny surface cookie sheet, set over to, I don't really know. Honestly, I don't really know how to set stuff on the thing. But I think I've done it before, so. Oh, and if you see that my shirt's wet and I'm wet, it's because me and my sisters just had a water gun fight, so yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure I know how to do this, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you press bake. Oh, yeah, 350? Yep. Okay, so it's heating up right now. That was easy. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to put this in. Guys, I don't know how to cook. This, right? It shows something, and I've seen something like that before, but we don't use this one. She said it would be better if we use this one, but I'm gonna go ask again because I'm not sure. So she said yes, and so that's at 120 right now. So yeah. Yay! Sorry. Okay. I need to get a bowl. Oh my gosh, I am ill prepared, guys. It did not tell me what to get out. So, I wonder which size though. I'm gonna use the medium one, just in case, because I'm not sure. And I don't want to go too big or too small, so medium's good. Anyways, so now it says stir together the eggs. So, I'm gonna get so many things in here. Okay. 1 egg. Oh my gosh, I'm horrible at cooking. Egg! I'm gonna clean that off. Okay, so now we have the eggs in here. Yeah, you can kind of see them, but and now it says the oil. So I need a 1/4 cup of that. So let me get a 1/4. 1/4. And we're just gonna pour that there. I'm doing horrible today. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I need help. I'm not even kidding. I need to clean this up. Okay, so I've cleaned that up eventually. And now it says, and cookie mix until soft dough forms. So I'm pretty sure this is cookie mix, right? Yeah, because that other one's powdered sugar. Okay, it's at 215 right now in the oven. Ah! Sorry guys, I'm having a hard time. Eventually got it. Okay. I'm sorry if I also spill this, I'm dead. I think we just pour all of it. comment down below, how are you spending your quarantine time? Just being bored, or like, what are you doing? Alright, so now I'm gonna find a whisk, which we should. Coca-Cola one. Oh, well, they don't even have a whisk on here, so it's fine. Alright, until soft dough forms. Okay. So I'm just using that technique, like the scooping one, so I can get all of it. My sister wanted to do this yesterday, but she's doing something else right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. She's gonna get mad, but okay. All right. So now this is what it looks like. It actually looks so good. Like, look at that. Yummy. And let me just tell you, it smells amazing. All right, so it's at 3:05 right now, so we still have a little bit of time. Okay, scoop dough accordingly to desired cookie size into powdered sugar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the little one, and I'm gonna put the powdered sugar, and then we'll be dropping that. Honestly, guys, this is stressful. Not gonna lie. What I just put in here though? I don't know. Oh my gosh, whoever is getting texts, like, I'm concerned. Okay. So scoop. So I'm. Oh my gosh, it scared me so bad. So I guess I'll make on this one. Okay. So scoop dough. Scoop dough according to cookie size into powdered sugar. To prevent sticking, roll into ball. So I'm gonna wash my hands, and like, so I can use my hands. The question is, do I even know how to make cereal? Okay. Roll into ball. Move this over. So.
Ready to make brownies? Are you really making them when I said not to?
Mom said I could. Mom said it's up to not up to you.
How far are you in?
All I have to do is bake it after this. So just don't help me now.
What?
The chicken and dumplings are ready to eat.
Should I make it right now?
No, because after I'm done, yeah. Okay, so far they're actually looking pretty good. I just need to finish putting the rest on here. So far, they look like that. Yum. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, guys, so I've popped them. I popped them in the oven for 10 minutes because that's just kind of basically the recommended amount of time. Yeah, so they're in there. They look absolutely amazing. I'm gonna eat this powdered sugar because I'm not done with it. So I'll kind of show you. They're looking like. I mean, it's only been in there for a minute, so they're not done. But try to show the camera on it, but you cannot see anything. So yeah, we'll just have to wait 9 minutes to show you. And they literally look so good and smell so good. I'm so ready to eat them, even though I kind of made a huge mess But that's okay. Anyways, so see you in like 8 minutes. Guys, this is so good, and I just started choking on it because like the powder went down. So tomorrow on Aubrey's channel, today or whatever,
I think today
she will be making pumpkin bread, right? Yeah, so go check that out. I'll put the link in the descriptions if she even does it. I don't know, we're pretty new to YouTube, so I might not. But you can check if you want. It might not, but it might, so yeah.
This bowl's too big for me.
Yummy. Ruined it. And I just checked on them and they're still not done yet because as you can see, well, let me read it because I kind of wiped it off. See, it's not very done yet, so I'm gonna stick it in there, but first there's tinfoil at the bottom of this, which I did not see before. So my sister's gonna go ask if that's okay. What it should be, I'm not sure, because I mean, didn't do anything for 10 minutes, so should hurry up. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this again. Just wait. If it's not done yet, I need to save the heat.
Keep it in there.
Okay. So now we're gonna bake it again at 350. And cook time. Oh, well, I can't do cook time yet. So again, we have to wait a little bit longer. Oh, well, it's about to be there anyways. So yeah. Hopefully, we'll see you this time when it's actually done. Okay, guys, so the dessert is done, and they look fantastic. They look so yummy, and that's what we're having for dinner, but that's our dessert. And so, I'm still letting them cool for 10 minutes. Because they're still like really soft, but they're cooked, but they're just like really gooey and stuff. So yeah, I'm letting them cool for 10 minutes. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And please stay safe during the quarantine. Bye. Just making a video in the background, but they're done. And so I'm gonna do a little taste test. Oh my gosh, that's weird. Sorry, I look kind of ratchet today, but anyways, yeah. So here we go. It smells so good. That's really good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try more right there, like the middle part. So. I definitely recommend this. Nothing in this video is sponsored, but definitely try to make a double chocolate crackle thing, or chocolate double something. It is so good. Make it.